request our dancers to go on their place to start our warm-up music. Dr. Imran Yousuf.
Kamusta kayo na lahat? Is this just okay or okay? Good, thank you very much. I give an advance congratulations on the celebration of the Christmas. May this Christmas will be more peaceful for the entire world. Thank you very much, His Excellency Dr. Emmanuel Fernandez. Can you imagine? He has a flight just within 2 days. The greatness of our ambassador that at this 11th hour when he is still working and replying, he did not miss you for the Christmas. A big round of applause. That also shows how much he loves our community. He knows that the best community in the world is the community in Karachi. I am a diplomat representing as a Consul General here in Sindh and Balochistan. Excellency is representing the whole Pakistan. But the true ambassadors are you all people. You all are ambassadors of Philippines. So enjoy and have a lovely Christmas. And at the end, mahal ko kayo na lahat. Maraming salamat po. I was telling Ambassador Dr. Fernandez that we were really missing our First Lady because she's the one who is really fell in love with Pakistan so soon. So, ladies and gentlemen, all magandang babay lalaki, big round of applause so that I can invite one and only our leader, our person who represent us, our spiritual father, however you want to say, Professor Dr. Emmanuel Fernandez on the stage, please. Sir.
Well, thank you very much, Consul Imran, for the very generous introduction and for the very kind words you said about my wife, Alice. First of all, on behalf of the Philippine Embassy in Pakistan, I would like to greet one and all a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas po sa inyo lahat. Please accept the warmest greetings and Christmas greetings of my wife, Alice. First of all, let me take this opportunity to thank Consul Imran for the services that he has been rendering to the Filipino community in Karachi. Thank you, Consul Imran, for your dedication, for your hard work, and for your genuine concern for the Filipino community in Karachi. I'd like to thank as well Mr. Sharif Tabani for offering his beautiful farm for us. And as an ambassador, of course, it makes me very proud to hear all these compliments that are being said about Filipinos here in Karachi. So, mga kababayan, maraming salamat. Thank you for doing that. Sabi nga ni Consul Imran, it is the time when we reunite with our families, with our friends, with our former classmates, with the people who matter. It is the time when we share what we have with people who matter. It's so sacred that wherever we are, we make it a point to gather together and to share the joy, the generosity, the blessedness of Christmas. And that is why we are here. A gift could be your presence, your expertise, your inspiration, your encouragement for your fellow Filipinos to aim higher and to do what it takes in order to get there. Wherever we are, we remain Filipinos. And wherever we are, let us be proud to be Filipinos and try our very best to show nothing but the wealth, the richness, of the Philippines. Maraming salamat at Merry Christmas po sa inyo lahat.
There are parole that is made of plastic and styrofoam with different colors, made of bamboo stick, newspaper, tissue boxes. Always and forever we are together. We are on our 13 years, going 14, so keep it up.